Hey guys, Jesse Baker with Oh My Outdoors here. In this video, we're going to fish the Huron River in Island Lake State Recreation Area near Brighton, Michigan. The recreation area does cost to get in. For me, it was $11 and I got a yearly pass for all the state parks and recreation areas. Trevor had scouted this route out a few days previously and done pretty well on pike, so we decided to come out and go with him. And as you can see here, we immediately got into some pike. We did really well on this trip using spinners, meps, and rooster tails at about 1/4 ounce. I also tried some jerk baits and topwaters and didn't have any luck on those, so stick with the spinners for this stretch of river. So most of these pike we were catching were 20 to 25 inches, not giants, you could call them a hammer handle, but we also got into some bigger fish as well. Yeah, that might have been a carp. Hold on, let me take the grips off. We also caught some smallmouth and rock bass on this trip on our spinners. Nothing crazy big, but still fun to catch. Got one. Fish grips are definitely a good idea for landing these pike. They can be hard to hold on to, they're pretty slimy. Trevor's using a pair of Bass Pro Shops branded grips that work really well.
There we go. Oh, measure him? Yep. Alright, he's about 25. Let's say 26. Look at those teeth.
Neil, you're the man, Neil. I appreciate it. Big time.
Alright, let me get my phone out. Oh, I got one too.
Here's my smallest pike of the day, but he was still pretty feisty.
Nice. Come here, little guy. Oh, man. I got a little one.
And then here's my biggest pike of the day. This guy was just over 30 inches and put up a heck of a fight. Tried to jump in the boat and everything.
Come here. T-Mac! Ooh, he's fat. I'm gonna have to get my paddle turned a little bit here. Look at that guy.
You can see here the river in the park is definitely maintained to allow you access to float through.
It was a little bit
Very
back
different
there.
for us. Most of our trips seem to involve a ton of log jams, but it was real nice. On the other hand, there is still plenty of navigating around this stuff to do, so it can be tough to fish and paddle around all the obstacles at the same time.
Snag him. Snag him.
Also spotted this bird's nest stand along the riverside. There was a pair of hawks in it when we went by. Didn't get great footage of the birds, but something to keep an eye out. It was a pretty neat thing to see. As we went along the river, we found lots of areas like this, a big, shallow, weedy flat. It's very difficult to fish. Occasionally there'll be a cut bank along either side that you could make an attempt to fish on. But my advice for these type of areas would be to paddle on through and get to a better spot. And finally, here's one of Trevor's pike on the day. He was pretty happy to catch.
Because this is like a wading creek.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll catch you next time.